Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise Make Art and welcome to my channel. I'm just giving you a forewarning, I'll be diving straight in here. I just made a beautiful jar lid and I'm going to make more. And I'm going to make a coaster set with the same color palette. So what I have here are my bloom scraps. It's every bit as good as the Multi-Pro because that's what it's based on. It's founded in the Multi-Pro. Just got some extra colors in it. And that's about it. Let's give it a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Yes, so I strained my scraps. So when you see me scooping up my paint off my table here, I'm putting them in this cup, and then I will strain them and then recycle the paint for the most part. I mean, at some point I don't do it because it just gets to be too dark or too old. But this is about as dark as I want to go. So that is Sky Blue Topaz by DecoArt with a tiny bit of frost that I had from TLP that the paint was too old, but it was really thick. And I just put a little dab of it in this DecoArt to thicken it up. This is a fresh batch of metallic cobalt blue. This is TLP's Seaglass. And it really disappeared the last time, so I'm going to try to put a little bit more down here. Simple stuff. This is Golden's Iridescent Gold with a little bit of Pearl Glacier Blue from Arteza. And then this is my shading gray combination with, oh, what's it with? Oh, Modern Masters Iridescent, Modern Masters Pearl. And I think I put a dab of Golden's Payne's Gray in it just to blue it up. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like the balance on this. Gonna go dunk. It's gonna be dunked. Dunky dunk time. Here we go. Let's do it again. Yeah, I blew into the pillow somewhere. Surprised. I know better than to do that. So I'm going to speed through the rest of the layering here. Since you've already seen me layer it once, you don't need to see me layer it again. And just a reminder, all of the colors will be listed in the description box below. I think this is probably the hardest blowout I've ever attempted. Ooh, lightheaded. You'll see I'm going to regret this last blow through the straw. Yeah, I don't know if that frost is doing me any favors in the middle, in the with the sky blue topaz. I think I might have made a mistake with that. It's acting all weird in the middle. I'd like to know where the purple's coming from. What is the purple coming from? Oh, this is awful right here. Oh my gosh. I don't think I can get that off. But it really is no wonder I ended up blowing into the pillow again, because this paint just did not want to spread for me, as you saw how I was blowing it out. I'm really cattywampus, but I'm on purpose cattywampus. That was that stupid last blow with the straw. Although it's actually it's pearly. It's pearly. Maybe it's not so bad after all. I see a lot of the sky blue. A lot of this is in there. Or it's coming through, at least. But that purple. What am I missing here? It's pretty. Is that metallic blue? I don't know. I'm perplexed. Pretty nonetheless. Let's see if I can get this little piece of black off over here. Boy, I really flung that. It is spinning like crazy. I am so surprised that that lid is not just flying off like a projectile frisbee. I think we're about done. That's pretty. That is pretty. It's very strange. It's not technically it's imperfect on many levels. Overall, it's quite pretty. Make sure my sides are covered. Get a white spot off of this side. Another white spot. It's all covered. Let's give it a quick clean at the bottom, where the tape is like my lip. All right. So here we are, after all that. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. Here's the one we just created, and then the first one you didn't see, and here are the final resin results. At the end of the video, I'm going to have a link to the jar lids playlist so you can see other style jars and other color combinations. If you want to see a full tutorial from start to finish on a jar lid creation, check out my video 268. That'll show you everything from taping off in the beginning to pulling the tape off at the end. And I think that's all I have. Oh, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials and be kept up to date. I put out about 3 or 4 a week. So with all that said, I appreciate you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody, and take care.